Today's Wednesday, August 13th, and let's go over what is happening. Making all-time highs on the NQ. Let's go over Monday's range here. There. Monday range high, 804. Range low, 587. We had a big pop-up yesterday, breaking all-time highs. Let's go down to the 4-hour. We had a big displacement candle here, breaking out of the range. That was, I think, over yesterday's news. I didn't trade yesterday. And I'm going to be on and off for the month of August. Holidays. It's not the greatest time to trade. Let's see, well, in the 4-hour, let's break it down actually even more. The 1-hour, so we do have a fair value gap here. Let's see here. 1-hour. 1-hour fair value gap. We got 843, 810. We're having a order block consolidation here. 1-hour order block. Just breaking all-time highs. So actually, you know what? I'll break it down here. Let's go break it down to the 15-minute. And London making all-time highs. London low. Asia high. Asia low. This was previous all-time high here. On the daily. So this previous all-time high. Write this down. Was 848. That's a good place to go long if we do get there. And that's almost so where the 1-hour fair value gap is also at. So let's check out the news, see what is happening today. Wednesday. So no news today of importance really. President Trump's going to speak at 4:15. But other than that, no important news. Though if we do have a pullback into this region, definitely look for a long. I'm not looking for shorts. So just breaking into all-time highs. So any pullbacks, I'd be looking for a long. Maybe even down to, break down Asian high and go long back. So looking for longs, long bias now. I'll be looking for long, even if it pulls back to this Monday high. Look for longs if we get the setup. If we do somehow drop down here, Monday's low, then I'd be looking for longs. Um, but yeah, right now we're grinding out here at new all-time highs. So not looking for a long right now. I don't see any setups. Maybe if we have a pullback, then go for a long. But that'd be my game plan for today. Uh, um, yeah, we'll see what the market does. Wednesdays are typically sideways, but we had a big push up yesterday after that news release. In the short, if we do look at a short, I'd be looking at maybe a big push up above London, rejected London, then maybe go down to Asia low. If we look for some kind of short down here, that'd be the only short if we fail London, and yeah, that'd be my one short, and maybe down all the way to test this 1 hour fair value gap. But more looking for long plays than shorts at this moment. But please like, subscribe, and thanks for joining.